Good morning. Today we will be starting off our first class of standard 8 with the chapter networks. This is the first chapter which you have. Now when you talk about network, the first thing that comes in your mind is networking. That is this one, networking. Now when you talk about networking is just nothing. It's a process or it's a way of sharing information among different devices. Okay, it can be any network. Okay, not only computer networks, it can be any network. Your television network, okay, your cable networks, your telephone networks. Okay, networking is a way or networking is a process of sharing information among different devices. Okay, so you might be having television, you are having television in your home. Okay, all the people of India, those who are having television at their home, they will be getting the same information. Okay, the news which is being broadcast in your channel in a television, all the informations conveyed will be same. So that is the same data which is being received by each and every person. Now next, what is computer networks? Okay, now computer networks is a process in which computer is connected with other peripheral devices. Now when you talk about peripheral devices, so that means it can be anything. It can be your hardware devices. Okay, it can be the other computers which are linked. All the computers are linked together in a way of sharing informations. Okay, so that can be conveyed as a computer network. It is that computer network is being set up with the help of two methods, that is wired networks, wired communication, or wireless media or wired media. When you talk about wireless media, it is used basically the Bluetooth, the infrared rays, okay, the Wi-Fi. When you talk about wire media, it is your coaxial cables, it is your fiber optics cables, it is your twisted pair cables. Clear? So that's what is computer networks. Components of data communication. Now what is first of all data communication? Data communication is nothing in which data is being sent between a sender and receiver. Okay, and it is received by the receiver and it is sent by the sender. It can be anything. The data can be anything. It can be a audio, it can be audio, it can be a video. Okay, it can be anything. Clear? Or it can be document, images, many more things are there. So data can be audio, data can be a video, data can be a document, data can be an image. Clear? Now when you talk about message, this message is that particular information, that is being sent. The message is this. This message can be this. This message can be this. This audio, video, document, images, this all are the messages. These all are the messages. Now when you talk about the sender is that person who is sending the data. Okay, so suppose you are at the receiving end, I am giving you the data, I am basically the sender. Okay, now receiver means that person who is receiving the data, who is at the receiving end. Suppose if I am sending you an email, okay, so I will be writing my name from here. So suppose here I will be writing my name to from, okay, I will be writing here from xyz@gmail.com. okay, xyz@gmail.com. Now when you talk about to, okay, it can be anything. It can suppose to, this from is the sender and this receiver is to, who is getting the data. Suppose abc@gmail.com. Clear? abc@gmail.com. This ABC is the receiver because he is getting the data. The communication medium, how the data is being transferred. Okay, so that is the communication medium, how the data is being received by the receiver, how the data is being sent by the sender. It can be wireless, it can be a wired medium. Okay, if you talk about wired medium, it can be, if you talk about wired medium, it will be, if it is wired medium, fiber optics cables are there, fiber optics cables, coaxial cables are there, twisted pair cables are there. if the communication medium is your wireless, okay, it will be Bluetooth, that is there in your mobile phone. Bluetooth, infrared radiation, infrared, clear. It can be your microwaves. There are specific rays are there. Now what is protocol? Now when you talk about this protocol, when you talk about this protocol, the protocol basically means a set of rules. There is a rule of sending the data. Okay, how the data is to be sent, how the data is to be received. Okay, that's all we will be studying in this chapter. Okay, for till now, we can see that the protocol is just nothing. It's a set of rules that is being used, or that is being used in a way to send the information from one person to another. Clear?
Ready.
Now, network media or medium. Network medium means how the data is being transferred. Which are the medium, whether a wireless medium is involved, that is no wires are there, it is gone through the waves, okay, or your wired mediums are there. That means wires are being involved in a way of transmitting the data. Now when you talk about wired medium, that is coaxial cable. Okay, coaxial cable, I can tell, if you might have seen it in cable networks, okay, that wire that is being used, that comes with the set-top box, that use coaxial cables, in which there are wires. There, first of all, there is a coating of a wire. Inside that there is a wire, okay, and inside that wire also there is one specific wire which comes out and which provide us the data, through which the data is being transferred. Now, twisted pair cables. Now when you talk about twisted pair cables, okay, you might have seen there are two wires which are twisted in a way, okay, like this. This is an example of twisted pair cables, okay, and it comes out. It can be of red, generally it comes with red and yellow color, okay. Now in the negativity of twisted pair cables is this, that in this twisted pair cables there are much more crosstalks, okay, much more data hampering will be there. The data will not be reaching to the receiver end properly or appropriately. Now when you talk about the fiber optics cable, now what is fiber optic cable? Fiber optics cable is the fiber optics cable. Now when you talk about fiber optics cable, the data is being sent in the form of light. So that is optics, okay. The optic is a word of physics, and in which the data is sent in the form of light, clear. And the data wire looks, suppose, in this sense. Okay, like this, the data, this is the fiber, okay, and through which the light is going to pass. The data will be in the form of a light and it will be reaching to the receiver. Now when you talk about wireless medium, the first of all that things comes is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is there in your mobile phone, okay, and through the help of Bluetooth the data can be sent, okay. The phones or the computer, that should not be directly in contact with each other. No physical contact should be there, okay. In wired medium physical contacts are there, but in wireless medium there is no physical contact. Now when you talk about infrared rays, okay, infrared, so in this also, through which in this data are transmitted in the form of satellites, okay. Infrared, when you talk about infrared, the data is sent in the form of satellites, okay. Now Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity, okay, through which the data can be sent, okay. Data can be sent. This is much more in use now with the help of the upcomings of the smartphones, the Android phones. The Wi-Fi has come up, okay, in which no physical connection. Without the physical connection or without the physical barriers, the data can be sent from one person to another.